parachute teams are here. As you can see, those people way up there. There you go. There's some other people right there.
Go down one base and then climb on the land.
That one has red to it, that aquarium, that one has white. Red, white, and blue.
It's actually better look over here because the sun's not up.
So yeah.
But control the speed.
That one was
If they need to. Controlling the center.
He's coming down fast.
Turn your spiral. Watch as he comes over the ground. He can hear you now. Make some noise for him.
Woo!
He goes up on the cable. Watch it. Here he comes. Ooh. Nice soft landing. It's like a feather touching the ground. Now it's having the guy coming down the street. Right on the good street behind him. Wood smoke. Here he comes. He's coming from space to his ground just like an aircraft. Pulling up. Starts his flare just to land it. Another beautiful landing.
Yeah, I can show you on the land.
Also,
Come on, show me real quick.
Parachute, yeah.
Look in between the red tail and the
noise
ambulance.
for him, folks. Here it comes.
See him land?
Beautiful landing.
And so there's a blue plane over there. And they're gonna fly it. Look at where is she? Oh. How did you know it was a girl? I don't know about all that.
IFR commuting plane.
Today's jumper.
So yeah, I'm gonna have to hold right here.
Oh, that's where you get the penny toe from.
Yes.
Wow.
Look, there's purple one. Oh, is that one that's right over there?
Oh, yeah.
It's little bitty.
That one looks big right there.
Is that a boy?
USF. Yeah, it's the same writing.
And if you guys are here, please subscribe or not. Just let me know what you thought about the air show. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Where did Will go? Huh? Do you?
Well, it's just right here by where the yellow string is.
What yellow string?
Hold on, I'm gonna get you my head.
Alright guys, I'll see you on I'm not gonna make any videos now, sorry guys, but yeah. Bye.